Hi guys, it's Lynette here, and today I received this package. It's from Feelunique and they've started to do the beauty kits again. They brought them back in for a wee while and then they stopped them. However, I'm hoping that this is them back up and running because I absolutely love the beauty kit. Now it's £12.95 for 5 items. However, it's £3.95 postage and packaging, but that cost is redeemable against any kind of future orders, with the exception of postage, beauty kit and samples. So if you go on to buy something from the Feelunique website, you can use the £3.95. So I just wanted to show you what I've got. And it also comes with this free pouch. Usually the last couple of times I've had it, it's all been in the pouch, but the pouch is packaged separately. Now I'm going to keep these because I wasn't sure what to do with them before, because I think they might be ideal. Yeah, so at work, we're no longer allowed to have, you know, the little pencil pots that you might have on your desk. So everybody's been asked to keep their own stationery, and I thought this might be actually ideal for people if they want something that's maybe a bit different to a pencil case. I thought they would come in handy for that, so I'm going to save those. So that's a freebie you get with every beauty kit order. And I did do some pricing. I've got a post-it here with all my prices on it. So I'm just going to run through it. So this cost me £13. So it came to £17 including postage and packaging, which you can claim back £4 of that. So bearing in mind that the items that I ordered came to £58.40. So I thought I was fair away with that. That's kind of 3 times the cost, roughly. So I'll just show the first item here, and it's one that they did actually have in the beauty samples once upon a time, the pick and mix. That's how I came to try it. It's Lumine, and it's Instant Glow Fresh Skin Tint. Now, I absolutely love this stuff, and for the 15ml, it would cost you £15. I did look into getting the bigger tub, which is 30ml for £30, but I thought I'll just pick it up whenever it's on. You know, Feelunique, the beauty kit, and that's practically paid for the whole thing. So everything else is really just an added extra, which is fantastic. So the next item I've got here is Clinique, and it's Clinique Smart Custom Repair Eye Treatment. There we go. And I'll bring it out and I'll show you. So you get 5ml. And for the 5ml, I went on John Lewis' website, and for the 5ml, it works out at £14.50. So I thought that was fantastic. Really good value. It is a sample. It does say not for sale, but that's fine. That doesn't bother me. It's 100% fragrance free as well, so it might suit your skin if you've got sensitive skin. But I'm looking forward to trying that eye treatment. The next one I've got is one that I'll always pick up when it's on there. Can't speak today. If I was to go out and buy this, it would be £5. It's the Jurlique Radiant Skin Foaming Cleanser with Hydrating Rosa Gallica. You get 20 grams, and I just absolutely love the smell. I love the way that it makes my skin feel as well. So it hydrates, protects and smooths, but it's a really nice product, and I do tend to save it for good. So maybe be like the third one I've put away. So this next item, when I went on, was the Elemis, and I had to grab that because I love Elemis. So this would cost you £16 if you were trying to buy the equivalent mils from the shops. And it's superfood, and is it Sika Calm Hydration Juice, and it's a gel. So how do we use this? It's a lightweight gel. You apply it every morning to cleanse skin. So you put that on after you've cleansed your skin. I'm trying to read it, the writing is tiny and the light's not that great in this room. So it comes like that. I'm just going to try a little bit here in the back of my hand. Slightly, just like light green. Rub it on the back of my hand. Oh, it's got such a lovely smell. Oh, that's absolutely gorgeous. Hydration juice, yeah. I hope it does hydrate. That's one of the kind of newer Elemis products as well, I think. And I got the mascara, so I got the Bad Girl Bang, and that's 3 grams. So on Boots, I priced it up. It gave me the price what it would cost for it gives you the 100ml, 100 gram or whatever it was. So I went and I priced it up, and the equivalent of this would be £7.90. So this is my second one of these as well. I just think it's nice to put in little stocking fillers. I'm not going to open it. Because once you open it, that kind of sets off the kind of use it up expiry date for it. So yeah, I just thought I'd pop on and show you what I got. So it's £12.95 plus £3.95 shipping, which you can get back. I got £58.40. I never check the prices of stuff. I wondered if that was the rain, but it's the trees you can hear in the background. I just go on and pick what I want to actually try. So the Lumine is probably something that I'll continue to get for as long as it's on there, because, you know, can't really complain. That pays for kind of almost the whole thing if you get this. You know, basically the rest are free. So the Clinique Smart Custom Repair Eye Treatment, the Elemis Superfood, Sika, or I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correct, Sika Calm Hydration Juice, the Gerlake Radiant Skin Foaming Cleanser, and the Benefit Bagel Bang. So anyway guys, let me know if you've got it, if you've received yours yet. Mine's arrived today, and I thought I would film it as soon as I can. I usually kind of have my hair down and what have you, but I'm giving it a break. I've put a leave-in conditioner after my shower and just kind of tied it back in a French plate, but I thought I'll come up and I'll film this just so that you can see what's in it. Anyway guys, speak to you soon. Take care, bye.